How to see chats with someone who blocked you on Snapchat. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Then you want to tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. The first thing you want to do is understand what happens after blocking. When you block someone, their messages disappear from your chat screen. You cannot view their chats normally. Now, the first method is to unblock the user. For that, you want to head over to your settings, tap on the gear icon. Now scroll down and find the blocked users option. Then select the blocked account. Now tap on the X option to unblock. Once that is done, you need to add the person back. For that, go to chats, tap on the search bar and here search for their username, then tap on add friend. Add them again. After adding them, you want to view the chats again and their previous messages will appear over here. Now for the second method, you want to head over to your settings, scroll all the way down and tap on my data. Now you will have to download your data. For that, select the chat history option, toggle this option on, then tap on next. On the next page, you have to select the timeline. So go ahead and select all time or last year, whichever time it is, to include the chat history in download, then tap on submit. Now wait for a few hours for Snapchat to prepare the file. You will receive a download link. Open and download your data. Open the downloaded file and find your past chats over here, including the blocked conversation. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.